Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Roborock Qrevo S5V robot vacuum and mop. I've looked through the internet, checked detailed reviews, long-term user feedback, and real-world tests. And in this video, I'm going to help you decide whether the Qrevo S5V is actually worth buying or not. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. The first thing that stands out is how feature-packed this robot is for the price category. You're getting 12,000 Pascal suction, FlexiArm edge mopping, dual Zero-Tangle brush systems, automatic mop washing and drying, self-emptying dust collection, and automatic water refilling. That basically means the Qrevo S5V is trying to deliver a mostly hands-free cleaning experience. And from what I found online, it actually gets surprisingly close to that goal. One of the biggest highlights here is the mopping performance. Multiple reviews mention that the dual spinning mop system does a very good job removing dried stains and everyday dirt, especially on hard floors. Tech Gear Lab testing said it cleaned coffee spills extremely effectively and left floors looking freshly cleaned without sticky residue. The FlexiArm design also helps the mop reach closer to edges and corners, which is something cheaper robot vacuums often struggle with. Vacuum performance is another strong area. The Qrevo S5V performs especially well on carpets and general debris pickup, and reviewers consistently describe it as one of the best value-performance robot vacuums in its class. Vacuum Wars testing highlighted strong carpet cleaning, pet hair pickup, and overall cleaning efficiency, especially when found on sale. Now let's talk about convenience, because this is where Roborock usually shines. The dock automatically empties debris, washes the mop pads, and dries them with warm air. That means you don't have to constantly deal with dirty mop pads or emptying dustbins manually every day. From Reddit discussions and long-term users, this is actually one of the most appreciated features because it makes the robot feel genuinely low maintenance. The app experience is also generally praised. You can create room maps, no-go zones, schedules, carpet settings, and custom cleaning routines very easily. Many users say the Roborock app is still one of the best robot vacuum apps available because of how polished and customizable it feels. Now, after going through reviews and real-world feedback, there's one weakness that keeps appearing everywhere: obstacle avoidance. While the navigation itself is usually reliable, smaller objects like socks, cables, and pet toys can still cause problems. Multiple reviewers and Reddit users mention that it occasionally bumps into or gets stuck on cords and clutter that higher-end competitors avoid more consistently. Another thing worth mentioning is that while the suction number sounds massive, real-world cleaning differences between 10,000 pascals and 12,000 pascals are often smaller than marketing suggests. What matters more is brush design, navigation, and consistency. And fortunately, the S5V still performs very well overall in those areas. Battery life is solid for average homes, though some larger homes may require recharge and resume cleaning depending on settings and carpet usage. And like most robot vacuums with large multifunction docks, the dock itself takes up noticeable space. So, would I recommend buying the Roborock Qrevo S5V? Honestly, yes. Especially if you want a premium cleaning experience without paying flagship-level prices. The combination of strong vacuuming, excellent mopping, anti-tangle systems, and automatic dock maintenance makes it one of the better value robot vacuums in the premium mid-range category. It's especially good for homes with hard floors, mixed surfaces, pets, and people who want minimal daily maintenance. But if your home has lots of cables, toys, clutter, or you specifically need top-tier obstacle avoidance, then there are competitors from brands like Dream or Narwhal that may perform better in that specific area. Overall, this feels like one of the strongest value premium robot vacuums available right now, balancing advanced cleaning features, strong mopping, and automation in a package that delivers a genuinely convenient everyday cleaning experience.